Excuse me, miss. Y'all got a bathroom I can use?
Bathrooms are privilege reserved for patrons only. It's part of the gallery experience.
So we have to pay for the privilege to pee?
Bet they charge extra for breathing the air in here, too. Yeah.
Wait! Oh, my apologies. Admission to the gallery is free for the both of you.
This one's cool, I guess.
I can pay better than that.
So welcome in, family. It's so refreshing to see some more diversity in here. Feels like home, right?
Family?
So, what brings you in today? Looking for anything specifically?
Actually, I was wondering if y'all had a bathroom I could use real quick.
Oh, yes, of course we do. Okay. Oh, you like this one, don't you?
Oh, yeah, I don't get it, actually.
Really? You should. You see this streak here? That represents pain, isolation. And this one over here, that's dignity being taken. No, stolen. It's about the plight of the everyday black woman, which is why I painted it. Because I want my soul sisters to feel seen, heard.
Yeah, because you know all about that, right?
That's very considerate of you, but you're white.
White? Yes, well, I may look white, but I identify as Italian American. So I completely understand your plight.
Okay, then.
Wow. Okay. I didn't realize Italian Americans had it so hard.
Right, so y'all still got the bathroom, though?
Oh, yes, of course. But I'll let you enjoy your tour of the gallery first.
What do you think this one is about?
This one right here, it's the plight of the everyday black man. She got to paint something for her soul brothers, too, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Probably took one little service trip to Africa, and she thinks she's some Italian Dr. Umar or something.
Yeah.
You see this? This type weird. Tell me I ain't bugging.
Oh, yeah, it's weird.
Are you both interested in fine arts?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
That's good. We need more of you in this space, you know. The gallery world is eager to make art about black people, but not by black people.
Really now?
Son, never let prejudice stop you. You can't let him bring you down.
I wasn't planning on it.
Do you work here?
Of course, we all do.
Y'all help me out with the bathroom, though?
Wouldn't you like to finish the gallery first?
Nah, sir, I don't think I can really hold it.
I will
Now you just
find where the bathroom is. I'll ask. Are you kidding me?
My bad, y'all. Sorry.
Now this is art. Performance art is exactly what we needed to further elevate this gallery.
Primal, yet eloquent. It speaks to the survival of African Americans.
All right, y'all. Yeah, appreciate y'all. Your hospitality, everything good with that. But we gotta roll up out of here.
Yeah, beautiful gallery, really.
No, wait. Before you go, we have a gift for you. Please.
What's this? Cornbread?
We want you to know that your contribution to this exhibit and to the world is greatly appreciated. Consider this cornbread mix our humble tribute to your bravery and your resilience.
It's the least we could do. And there's a Melba's gift card underneath the tissue paper.
I was just trying to take a piss.